Hi, my name is Leon. I'm the founder of Clammer, and today I'm going to show you what Clammer is all about. So this is what the feed in Clammer looks like. But for most users, their experience with Clammer will actually start somewhere else. It'll start in whatever website or whatever app they're reading whatever it is they're reading. So for example, I'm a New York Times subscriber, so I'm reading this New York Times article, and I read a particular sentence that I find interesting. And I could find either interesting, lighthearted, or enraging, but for whatever reason, I want to share it, right? Now, normally when you share a highlight to an app, it'll just grab the text. And this is true for this app, but also for messages, for Twitter, pretty much anywhere. Except when you post to Clammer, Clammer will do the hard work of grabbing not just that text, but also the source URL and source title, source outlet, and the surrounding paragraph, so that anybody that's on Clammer can read that whole paragraph, get all that context without having to click over to New York Times and subscribe just to see what it is that you're talking about. Now, from the share menu, I can write my thoughts, right? And then I can tag users, tag my friends, tag people who I think might find this interesting, right? And I can share this outright or just save it for later. So back in Clammer, here's what this post might look like. This is the feed, right? This is where everybody's posts will end up. And here, I've got my post here. Anybody can see that context or click the title to go right to the article. GPT-3 is doing the hard work of figuring out what categories are applicable here and what the sentiment of this excerpt actually is. Here's my little comment. And the cool part is here are some of my supporting excerpts. So this is actually a topic that I care a lot about. So I've got other highlights from other articles that I've read that I can now use, right? All expandable, all with sources, right? All source backed, so that if I'm arguing an opinion, people can know exactly where I'm getting my facts from and where I'm coming from. And this isn't just about serious political economic stuff. You can post about anything. You can post about Rupert Murdoch getting married at 92, JP Morgan, whatever it is, right? The point is, it's not about the loudest person in the room. It's about the person that engages with what they read the most. And the really cool part about Clammer is that there's that social aspect, and then there's the utility of the worldview tab, where you can organize your highlights by worldview. And each worldview comes with these two buckets of one hand and other hand, right? And users can collaborate, so any user can come and add their own highlights to either that one hand or other hand bucket, so that you're collaborating instead of arguing to build a balanced, nuanced worldview. And that's in a nutshell what Clammer is all about.